everyone. In this video, now I'm going to explain an IT ticketing system which is designed to simplify the process of reporting, tracking and resolving technical issues within an organization. Okay, let's start from the login. The system begins with a secure login mechanism. Here, I enter my user credentials to access the system. See, once login, the system validates the details and redirects me to the dashboard. You can see here, redirected. Okay, which is employee dashboard. In this section, it provides the some options. Those are raise ticket, my tickets, reports, and finally logout. When a user encounters an issue, they can raise a ticket by providing the necessary details and by using the raise ticket option. For example, I will show, see, description based on title. I want updated features to my laptop. Department marketing. Ticket type. Feature request. After filling the required information, I click on submit. Here you can see success message. Ticket created successfully, which means ticket has been created and stored successfully. Now I am navigating to my ticket list. Okay, this is the ticket list screen. In this section, here you can see all the created tickets. Those are displayed along with the details such as ticket ID, title, description, priority and so on. You can see here. And the users can easily track their raised tickets by using this search option. For example, features. You can see all the featured issue tickets. Only feature issue tickets, not all. If I remove this, you can see all the issue tickets, not only futures, all. Futures, technical issue ticket, login issue ticket, hardware issue, like. So the advantage is this screen helps in tracking and managing all the requests in one place. Now I'm switched to the admin dashboard. You can see here. The system provides full control over ticket management. So administrators can view all submitted tickets. See here, all tickets. In the admin section, in assigning tickets section. So admin can assign the raised tickets to appropriate technicians. For example, I choose the featured issue and I click on the assign ticket. I means here admin. You can see a success message. Ticket assigned successfully. Secondly, assigned tickets. In the section of assigned tickets, the technicians or admins can track their assigned tickets in one place. And also, technicians can easily track their assigned tickets by admin by using search ticket option. For example, features. Here you can see only featured assigned tickets assigned to. You can see here some batches, 6 SSM 6th batch like. Now I am in IT support screen. In IT support screen, in the section of ticket details, if you come to action, here I have an option to update the ticket status. Here you can see update status. For example, I can change the status from open to in progress. Open to in progress. Okay. Then click on the update status. Here you can see status updated, which means the system processes the request and updates the tickets accordingly. Finally, the system includes a secure logout functionality. You can see here logout functionality to safely end the user session and protect access. See, I will log out. Successfully log out. So now this IT ticketing system improves efficiency and provides a structured approach to handling technical issues. So thanks for watching.